Hey, this is Fred from Barefoot Adventures, coming back to you again. Hey, I just want to do a short video today on something that I picked up, and I freaking ran over it. So stay tuned, you'll see that. It's a new GoPro Sessions 5, and here it is. I picked it up yesterday. You just unlatch this right here. That slides right out the back. And there it is. That's the little camera. And yes, I am not kidding. I really ran over this today. I drove right over the top of it. So I got a video coming up right after this. So stay tuned and you'll see this get ran over. And you just slide it right back in. It's pretty cool. So stay tuned and watch the video. And leave me a comment, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. Alright? See you guys around the campfire. Bye.